Is that yours? Look at the kitty. It's horrible.
This is where they have it.
Mommy, but where's our next?
I don't know. Shut up.
No.
Can't do it.
On your forehead.
No. No. Stop it. Stop. I hate you.
Where's Matt?
Make him launch onto Matt's face.
Matt, come here.
No, let him launch onto Matt's face, not mine. At least not when I have popcorn. That was pretty funny, I have to
I got a
admit.
picture when it was in the bag.
I have to admit, that was pretty funny. That was hilarious.